Yo, what's up everyone? It is King Camry. Welcome back to another amazing video. Before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to all those dads out there. Happy Father's Day to all of you awesome fathers. I hope you guys are having an amazing time with your family. As you guys seen by the title, we are doing big moves today. We are finally doing something to the King Camry build for a while. As you guys know, Project TRD is now over. We're taking this new refresh look onto the King Camry build, you guys. I hope you guys do enjoy this new process. But we actually just hit 2,000 subs. I want to give all of you guys a huge thanks. You guys hit this channel to 2,000 subscribers. I am grateful and I am very blessed. You know, I normally don't like uploading on special days like these, but this one could not wait. I've been having these mods for about 4 months already, so it's been in the shadows for a cool minute. But today we are gonna be installing the Khann front bumper and also the Khann rear bumper. You guys are gonna be seeing how fitment is, and honestly, for my experience, everything was such a smooth ride. If you guys are interested in picking up these bumpers, I'm gonna be dropping down the link down below in the description for all of you so you guys can check them out if you guys do want to pick these up. If I'm real, I never really liked these, but my mind changed and now we're putting these on to the King Camry build. This is gonna be an installation and you guys get to see how smooth it is. As you guys also can see, we are still rocking, we're rocking the Warriors out here, because out here in the Bay we're still celebrating. We're enjoying that championship. But nevertheless, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get down to it, man. Alright, so this right here is the sensor. Ah! This is how your boy always does it. Yes, sir. Oh, so that's how you got out last time.